let's take a look at how to build a Google SEM campaign. Once you're in Google Ads Manager, select your account and click the plus sign for a new campaign. Next, you're going to click the objective, in this case, website traffic. Make sure all of your goals are aligned. Campaign objective, in this case, search. Put in your company's website and name the campaign. Taking a look at bidding, there's multiple bidding types. We highly recommend conversions and setting a target CPA. With some more campaign settings, you want to make sure your search and display networks are turned on, and you can go ahead and search for your location. Additionally, we highly recommend turning on broad match keywords and automatically created assets just to help your campaign out. Now it's time to start building ads. We're going to start with keywords. Go ahead and take a look at what Google recommends and use what you see fit. Make sure your final URL is correct. And if you have any calls or other objections, make sure those are connected to the campaign. Now it's time to take those keywords and make some headlines out of them. Same with descriptions as well. Also, you want to add images, business name, business logo, etc., just to get your ad ranking up higher. Again, with the additional rankings, using callouts and site links are very helpful. As you can see here, you can create new site links right in the ad, as well as callouts. Moving on to budget, you can set your own custom budget or use what Google recommends. And finally, hit publish.